Okay, we've just finished the enumeration of lists. How about combining and sorting lists? A simple use case for that is, say in data science, you get data from so many different sources, right? So this is source 1, source 2. From source 1, you get a certain data set. Let's say it could be temperature data regarding one city, right? This is city 1, this is city 2. Basically a list of temperatures. And we want to combine them, say, to find out the average of the temperature across cities. Basically, you need to combine both of them into one big list. And after doing that, maybe you want to sort them because the temperatures here also might be in increasing order, maybe by date or by value. And when you combine them, what happens is this set of temperature comes and sits here, and this set of temperatures come and sit here. And now the order is messed up, right? In case you want the order. In cases like that, you can use the sorting of lists. So let's understand how combining and sorting of lists work. Combining lists is very easy. All you have to do is use the plus function. Just like you combine strings. Imagine there were 2 strings. How do you combine them or concatenate them? You just use the plus function. Same thing with lists. You can concatenate lists using the plus function. Let's try to concatenate these 2 lists. Odd numbers, even numbers. That's the list. So these are the elements in the list. Now when you concatenate them, what do you get? A concatenated list of all the elements that we have concatenated. Simple. Now, like I said, these are not sorted. See, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So they are not sorted. 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here. Can you sort them? Yes, of course we can. We can just use the sort function of a list. Sort is an inbuilt function in a list. So all you have to do is say all underscore numbers dot sort. Okay, now what is all underscore numbers? You see, these are sorted while these are not. So that's how you can merge lists and sort lists.